Welcome to the Chem Rug Wash Spa. You can see we've got a few rugs drying today. But what I really want to show you is what we do with oriental rugs. This just happens to be about a $12,000 oriental rug full of pet urine. We are flushing it. See all that urine breaking down in our wash pit. Got another rug in for a decontamination. And we will have this rug back to new and normal for this customer within the next 3 to 4 days. So stay tuned for updates. And for your next rug cleaning, either wool, synthetic, oriental, give Chem Rug Wash Spa a call. Thank you much.